Right, Makita sander. This is the old 9045N from 1997. Obviously, problem with the handle. Somebody's taken a drop, broken the handle on it. Does she still work? She does. Not so bad. It's not really a quick changeover. A little bit of wiring to be done on this. So that's the other half of the handle. We'll need that. I think the bearings sound a wee bit bad in this too. So we'll have to check them out. That's gone. Brushes look okay. What's that? Yeah, tackle that in a minute. Now luckily this comes with the brush holders intact. Switch for now. I'm going to get rid of this wee capacitor as well. This is just a wee noise suppression capacitor. It's not doing very much. You can omit it completely if you like. I'll try just to keep this one just for handiness. These are untight. Inside here, you have the springs clipped onto your brush holders. Get it prized off. Now that should come out with a bit of persuading. So that's no good. Might just try to keep the badge actually. Alright. Again, tight fit coming out, tight fit going in. These things are vibrating, so if they're slack at all, they'll become loose. Just keep your two holes for your screws in line as you're pushing it down. Make sure your springs don't become pinched for your brush holders. And clip your spring back onto your brush holders. And rewire your switch on. With the switch wired on. The rest all back in place now. That's the body. Ready to go. Now, how far do we go on this one? Right. Need to do something. That one's okay. This one is the problem. That's not good. That's not so bad. Totally shot. that one and that one and replaced. So we've got a 608 and a 6200. We've got a couple of NSKs in these. Now, nice new bearings. Much better. I'm trying out a new camera here, a new video, a new phone, and the video looks very dark to me, to be honest. Good quality video, nice and sharp, but she's a wee bit dark. There's 3 cameras on this, so I'll try another video with a different camera. I think there's a wide angle lens, comes up a bit brighter, but don't know if it's as good for filming close up. Lastly, see if we can get the badge back on. There we go. One Makita sander, fixed up, new body, new bearings, the badge saved. You can see that one's from 1987, so she's 26 years old. We want to keep the badge as a wee memory. Look at that. Spot on. Sanders go, that there was the business. That is the best sander ever made. The Makita 9045N. You see any of these ones going, lads, still running. They normally go for cheap. Pick it up. That there is an amazing piece of kit. Everybody who needs a sander should have one of them. Not made anymore. The new equivalent model is massive. It's like yawn size. Way too big. Very uncomfortable to use. This was the sander to buy.